The Rigol DG4000 series function arbitrary waveform generators feature a standard frequency counter with 200 MHz bandwidth and 7 digits per second precision. Frequency counters are typically used to measure the frequency of an unknown signal. Here's a brief example that demonstrates how to use the counter function of the DG4000 series. First, we configure another generator to output a sine wave with 1.2345678 kHz frequency and 5 volt peak-to-peak amplitude. Then, connect the signal to the counter input on the rear panel of the DG4000. Note that the counter input is a BNC female connector with 50 ohm nominal impedance. Press the counter key on the front panel to enable the counter function. This also opens the counter menu. If you press counter again, the counter function will be disabled. If another function key is pressed, such as the sine key, the counter interface is hidden and the measurement result will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. Press counter at any time to return to the counter interface. The counter interface shows gate time, coupling, attenuation, high-frequency reject, input impedance, trigger sensitivity, trigger level, the current measurement item value, and the frequency, period, duty, positive pulse width, negative pulse width, and count. Trigger sensitivity sets the trigger sensitivity of the measurement system. The default is 50%. The range available from 0 to 100%. Use the numeric keyboard or knob to input the desired value. Trigger level sets the trigger level of the measurement system. The system triggers and gets the measurement readings when the input signal reaches the specified trigger level. The default is 0 volts, and the range available is from -2.5 volts to +2.5 volts. Impedance sets the input impedance to 50 ohms, or high Z, the default to 50 ohms. Coupling sets the coupling mode of the input signal to AC or DC. The default here is AC. Atten sets the attenuation coefficient of the input signal to ×1 or ×10. Here we select ×1. HF reject can be used to filter out high-frequency components of the input signal and improve the measurement accuracy in low-frequency signal measurements. Gate time is a very important parameter that influences the measurement precision and speed. There are 6 optional gate times. Longer gate time settings result in higher measurement precision. They also slow the overall measurement update rate. The default gate time is 1, which sets the measurement time to 1.31 milliseconds. This setting provides about 5 stable digits on the measurement. To achieve 7 digits per second precision, set the gate time to 4. This extends the measurement time to 1.342 seconds, and now 7 digits are stable. Press Measure to select the type of parameter to be measured by the counter. The default is frequency. Press Statist to enable the statistics function. The instrument calculates the maximum, minimum, average, and standard deviation of the measured value. Press Auto to set the counter parameters automatically. This concludes the introduction to the counter function of the Rigol DG4000 series function arbitrary waveform generators. Connect to the counter interface, open the counter interface, and configure the proper parameters for measurement. Thank you.